It's snowing outside. I'm out here in the snow. We got our new car. This is our new car.
Did you get pictures of it?
No, not yet.
Yeah, I'll pull out and see if you get in.
So, I'm recording the snow. Record the snow. Oh, look at everything in the snow. Yeah. It's so cold. Today it is snowing. And especially, as you notice, here's our new car right there. That's our new car. And then we also... Yep, that's our new car. Look at that. This is the outside. This is the outside. Yeah, bro. So right now, I have to put on a glove. This glove is so small. No, I'm just doing it. I'm doing it for the video. And I can actually fit into it still. It's a glove I wore when I was like in 2nd grade. I still fit in it. No, it's really small compared to my hand. And I can still put it on. This is the Kia that we are not getting rid of. We just got rid of our black car, so you know the one, you probably haven't seen it that much, the race car. We just got rid of it like 2 days ago. Oh my god. It is so snowy out here. Oh my god. I feel it coming on my hood. I need to put my hood up real quick. Sorry, you might have heard a weird noise. That was because I needed to bite my camera to like not let it fall into the snow. There's water right here. Whoa! Wow! Look at this. You see this little plant right here? Well, right here it's frozen into icicles. It's right like this. And then you look down here, it's frozen into icicles. Oh. Man, it's dead anyways. That plant is dead. It's like, it'll grow back in the summertime. Yeah, we really get snow here. It's Minnesota. This is Minnesota for you guys. This is Minnesota for all of you. I just can't ever handle snow. It's so cold. I'm having a heart attack. Oh. Hulk is very mad. It's so cold outside. It's so cold outside right now. You're about to see over here. It's really cold outside, by the way. There's an icicle right here. Hulk doesn't like that didn't work. It's so cold. Hulk's fucking the snow. Hulk's going inside. Anyways, bye.